Hey guys, as a secondary portion of this video, I am now going to show you how to read a tune file out of your current ECU and or write to your ECU if you were to receive a tune revision from us. I have opened my personal C6Z06 tune file as a demonstration here. So if you ever receive a tune file from us, typically it's going to be in an email and it's going to ask you to download the tune file. When you do download the tune file, this is going to show up in your downloads section of your folder. So you'll migrate over there to see the tune file. When you double click, it's going to open up that tune file and it's going to look something like this, what I have in front of me here. Once we have the tune file open, to write to the vehicle, we are simply going to locate this floppy disk right here at the top next to the big I icon. We are simply going to select Write Vehicle. This is going to open up a box, and if you've never licensed your vehicle, this is going to pop up on pretty much any vehicle that you're trying to connect to. You would simply go to Show License Options, and it's going to open up another menu, and the default is Do Not License. You're simply going to hit Specific on any of the modules. This particular car is just a DCM. Some are going to have a TCM, which is a transmission control module. Some may have a fuel pump control module. We will instruct you on which ones to license when that time comes, but you will simply hit Specific and you will select OK. And then from there, it will ask you to write the vehicle, and you're simply going to hit Yes, Write Calibration unless instructed otherwise, and then write to the vehicle. In order to write to the vehicle, you simply need to key on, do not start the vehicle, but key on, which is going to be basically an accessory mode, and that will allow you to write to the vehicle. The opposite is going to be true for reading the vehicle. So keep in mind, we have a tune file open in front of us. You will notice that this icon is not illuminated. If you have a tune file open, the read icon will never be illuminated. So we simply need to close the file. And now we have the ability to read the vehicle. So now we can read any module that's in the vehicle. And sometimes we may have you do this to read the current file that we have in the vehicle and send it to us. And that's going to conclude this video.